Okay, data recovery techniques. So, data recovery strategies are generally divided into two main groups depending on the device usability, failure, and the type of injury. What are they means? First one is logical data recovery technique, and second one is physical data recovery technique. Okay, first one, logical data recovery technique. So in if the error is not connected to the hardware of the computer and can be solved using a program, then it is referred to as a method of logical data recovery. So logical disruptions to the hardware computer causes theft, leaving data and drive unavailable. So in such case, you are expected to do a logical recovery data method. Okay, let's see some of the logical risk scenarios. Okay, first one is deleted, formatted, or damaged partitions. Okay, causes of unreadability of the hard disk are typically caused by damage to the disk file system and partition table due to bad sectors that grow gradually through the operations of the hardware. So, if your hard drive files or data is lost, it is best to uninstall the hard disk carefully and link it to other computer in a read-only mode to prevent irreversible loss of data. So that also refers to other computers such as SD cards, flash drives, etc. If you lose your data, you will need to search for reputable hard drive repair providers to help you rescue the data. Next one is overwritten data. When you remove a file from the Windows operating system, the operating system will find the removed file as free space. So therefore, anytime you copy a file to your machine or update a program, and it overwrites the missing data, making it difficult for recovery. Hence, it is best to avoid using the hard drive or device to prevent any exposure to corrupted or missing data while you were facing a data failure. Okay, and next one is physical data recovery technique. Okay, human errors are classified as the second most common source of data loss after hardware failures. So a hard disk is lightweight and very delicate, so and a slight shock will result in a malfunction of the hard disk drive and a permanent loss of data. So it is also important that you treat the hard drives with utmost consideration. So okay, let's see some common physical harm scenarios for the data. First one is complexity. So the width between the disk plater and then accutator head is just 5. So the hard drive platter is just 5 mm. So which helps you appreciate the delicacy and value of the hard disk. So end user cannot restore any mechanically damaged drives because opening a hard disk to fix a physical harm requires a sterile area that should be regulated and dust free. So specialized hard drive repair facilities with qualified tools and equipment are often needed for the physically damaged hard disk. And next one is hardware repair. Before you make any attempt to fix hardware on your disk drive, it's important to get an expert for this delicate task. So this is possible to patch a mechanically broken SATA hard drive or SSD hard drive by replacing the defective part of the disk drive with experts to make it available for data recovery. So storage hacking, a snapshot, these things, these are all coming up in the next video. So on that onwards, Srinidhi Ranganathan sir will join with us. Okay.